Hi, this is the Huawei Nova 11 and I'll show you how to change fingerprint sensor animation on this device. So now I got here some waves. So to change the animation, we should open first the settings, scroll down to the security, to the biometrics and password, tap to fingerprint ID, enter your password, draw the patterns, tap the fingerprint animation and switch the ripples to the one from these available tabs which you will like, tap to OK, and that's it. So let's just check, and we could see that we just successfully changed our fingerprint sensor animation. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.